This is Konica Minolta multi-angle spectrophotometer with 6 angle. We'll just go through some of the features of this spectrophotometer. You can see here is the on-off button. Now I am oning the machine. After we on the machine, there would be a calibration pop-up message which says that we need to do calibration for 0 and white calibration. We'll do the same by following these simple screen pop-ups. There are this calibration facilities available. This is white tile calibration and this is 0 calibration, which is also called as black calibration. We are placing it for 0 calibration first, which is your black calibration. Once you place on it, it will show you the procedure that how you need to do the black calibration. Your black calibration is done, then it will address you to go to white calibration. You need to place your instrument from 0 calibration to white calibration and press measure button. Here is the measure button on the display itself. Once the calibration is done, you can take your measurement by doing target and sample measurement. This is your target mode. In that, you can select the new target and do your measurements. This would be samples for measurement. As you can see, these are curvature samples. So for curvature sample, we have this particular aperture. This is a 12 mm aperture, but further, as per your customization, as per your need for smaller curvature areas, you can go for a 6 mm aperture, fixed one also. We'll just take some reading for this sample.
Vertical. We can both way we can check machine.
So now you can see that my sample is placed and it is covered from all those measuring points, and there is no space in which the light could pass out. Yeah, there are 2 measurement buttons. One is on the display itself and one you can see here on the right hand side. This is particularly your communication port for software. This is for Bluetooth adapter and this is for AC adapter. Now we are taking reading for this sample. I have placed the sample on top. I am pressing measure button. We have taken an average of 3 readings for better understanding of the sample. So now first reading is done. We are on our second reading. Second reading. And this is the third reading. The reason to take 3 readings is give you a better average of that particular sample. So you are very sure about the reading you are getting from the sample. After the reading are being taken, you could see here is the save button. You just need to say save and your sample is saved. Against which now we are checking another sample or a batch, you could say, for the tested standard. You need to keep the product here and you just need to say sample. Now it is on the sample mode. and further we'll be taking reading for it. Sample also we'll be taking 3 average reading for a better and precise reading.
होल सैंपल एवरेज रीडिंग शो कर रहा है. अच्छा एवरेज रीडिंग घेतला. एवरेज रीडिंग घेतला सांगितलं.
Now what we have done here in this particular measurement process was we have taken the average reading of this spot, and now you could see this data is saved and you could see this is the absolute value, this is the delta E values. Further you could see the notification given. Okay. There's also a software for this software communication and report filing for SMDX for this particular instrument, for which helps you to create a data log of this particular sample and all the samples measured at your lab, and which will be easily accessible for your future reference.
Thank you.
Thank you.